In this video, I'm going to show you how to share Instagram profile link. On Instagram, you can easily share your profile link or someone's profile link, and in that video I'll show you both ways. So first, open up Instagram, and now let's say you want to share your profile link. All you have to do is right there tap at your profile, then hit at three lines icon, and then tap at QR code. It shows your profile QR code, and now here you can tap at share icon and then hit on copy. So now I have just copied my profile URL link. I can now hop out of Instagram and then open up, let's say, WhatsApp or some other messenger, and now I can double tap at text field and hit on paste to send my Instagram profile link to someone. Also, if I want to share someone's profile link, I can open up someone's profile, let it be The Rock, for example, and now in order to copy URL link to that profile, I can hit right here at three dots icon and then tap at copy profile URL to copy it to my clipboard, and now I can go to some messenger and in the same way double tap at text field, hit paste and then tap on send to share this link with my recipient. I hope it helps you out, so don't forget to like and subscribe.